Challenges are what make life interesting, and overcoming them is what makes life successful. Those who rise above the rest in these adverse situations become special. These are the shoulders that carry us ahead into a bright future, enabling us to offer quality services to our customers. Mr. Mahavir, DSC, Gurgaon. Where there is a will, there is a way, and there is no stopping. Mahavir is a perfect example to showcase I am possible. Unknown territory and challenges are his forte, and Mahavir's brave and risk-taking abilities enables him to overcome any obstacles in the way of delivering a great customer experience. With impeccable service delivery record, he is our path creator in the scenarios where others find a dead end. Mr. Pintu Kumar, DSC, Patna. Take your feet off the brakes, push the pedal, give yourself the green light and be unstoppable. These words perfectly define Pintu, who is our next superhero. Sky is his limit. Excellence is his attitude, and this attitude makes him our unstoppable performer. His out-of-the-box customer service during recent flood in Patna is the great example of his never-stopping attitude. Mr. Sunny Bihal, ESC, Tomscare. Plants exhale for us so that we can inhale them to stay alive. Can we ever forget that? Well, our next superhero Sunny doesn't. His effort in the distribution of plant saplings is an outstanding example of the same. He is the perfect blend of positivity and hard work. Thus, we can say that Sunny is not only a superhero for us, but for our society. Mr. Dinesh Gujar, ESC, Yash Enterprise. Time is just another hurdle when it comes to good service delivery. But for Dinesh, time is nothing but just a word. Whether it is day or night, Dinesh is always dedicated and focused on best service delivery. His eagerness and readiness to go beyond extra mile makes him real-life superhero for us. Mr. Mahadev, DSC, Bangalore. It's much easier to forget your personal woes when you are serving the needs of those around you. Our next superhero, Mahadev, is the one who gives equal importance to his professional and social responsibility. Apart from exceptional service delivery, his contribution towards the betterment of society and his native school are the best examples of his selfless character. Not only these five, we salute our 3,000 plus superheroes for shaping us as a company with the superhuman efforts and unmatched diligence. We at Hire are immensely grateful, and we thank you, each one of you, for everything you do and making us what we are.